I think the Vision Conference really shows a solidified single message, helps us drive the industry forward and really accomplish the goals of the greater good.
I would say it's a must attend because you learn so much about the aftermarket here, and you also gain a great understanding of exactly who's a major player in this industry.
I think there's a lot of great data, a lot of just great resources, great conversations, a lot of valuable questions being asked. I think are really helping all of us on the supplier, distributor side, and everyone attending.
I think you should just attend to get your feet wet, to really understand what's going on, to meet like-minded people, and then to actually grow your career as well as your organization.
I think Vision Conference gives just an incredible overview of the future things that are going on, what's happening, the trends in the aftermarket, and at the same time, it's a chance for collaboration.
This is the premier executive conference in the aftermarket, and it's so important for us to come together and figure out what are the things that matter now.